But first up, news just coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. 8 years after a brutal rape and murder of a minor in Langate in North Kashmir, a court has handed out a death sentence today to all 4 convicts. The court says the crime falls under the rarest of rare categories and the convicts don't deserve any mercy. On Saturday, the District and Sessions Court in Kupwara held the 4, Sadiq Mir, Azhar Ahmed Mir, local residents Mochi Jahangir of West Bengal and Suresh Kumar of Rajasthan, guilty of rape and murder of a 13-year-old in 2007. The court said that they first raped her, then they killed her and decapitated her body. The incident triggered massive protests in Kashmir. My colleague Nazir Masoodi now joins us for more. Nazir, 2 of the convicts who have been sentenced are locals, 2 were outside. This case has been pending in the courts a long time. Finally, some closure, some justice for the young girl's family?
Yeah, finally some closure, and once the judge pronounced, the District and Session Judge Kupwara, Muhammad Ibrahim Wani, pronounced the death sentence, there were slogans inside the court and people were actually, his relatives, they started crying. They were saying finally they're getting some closure. The fact is all these people have been waiting for justice for last 8 years. Young girl, just 13-year-old, she was coming back from her school. She was intercepted by these 4 criminals. She was abducted, gang raped, and then her body was decapitated. That was the bestiality, brutality of the crime, and this actually led to a massive social movement, protests, anger on the streets, and in fact the state government instituted a award, bravery award in the name of Tabinda Gandhi. So we can take her name her Tabinda Gandhi. There's a state award, bravery award in her memory. So any brave child is getting that award in the state government. But here it is a time when people they started slogans. I'm actually joined by the prosecutor, public prosecutor, Ghulam Muhammad Shah Sahab. All these years you were fighting this case. Finally, you are vindicated and your argument has been upheld by the court, and all the 4 convicts have been handed out death penalty.
Here I will firstly convey that this was a very brutal killing. It was a very heinous case. It was a brutal murder committed by the accused persons, and the case was committed by Honorable CJM Handwara to this court in 2007, and from that date I am contesting the case on behalf of the state. I have recorded 88 witnesses in the case. Most important witnesses are the member of the state police officer.
So I know yesterday there were arguments on quantum of this punishment. In fact, one of the convict said he has 6 daughters, and he should be pardoned because of there should be some mercy on that. Wasn't that, and when the judge felt very bad, the father of 6 daughters can commit such a heinous crime, rape, gang rape a 13-year-old girl, then decapitate her body.
As you have heard my argument in the open court, that this is the only the accused persons who have committed this brutal murder, and I have proved the case against them before the court, and the honorable court was convinced by my arguments, and the accused were convicted. Then on today, as you have heard, I have submitted, I have argued before the court that only the death punishment is the only punishment which warrants us to be
his family is also, her family is also there. Iqbal Sahab, we know you were calling us all these 80 years, so you were fighting for this case. Can you आज आपके मन में क्या है जब क्या
बेसिकली 20 जुलाई 2007 को जब हमारी बेटी स्कूल से घर की तरफ आ रही थी, तो चूंकि उसकी माँ ऑलरेडी इस दुनियाई फानी से चल गई थी और उसका बाप गन साहब जो है उसकी परवरिश कर रहा था, तो अचानक जुमा का दिन उस दिन भी था, और आज जब हम लोगों के जख्म पे मरहम हुआ, आज भी जुमा का दिन है। तो जब हमने अपनी बेटी को ढूंढने के बाद यह पता चला कि उसे चंद दरिंदा सिफत इंसानों ने बेदर्दी के साथ कत्ल किया हुआ था। उसका सिकारप उसके सर पे रहता था, उसका सिकारप छीना गया था। उसकी वो किताबें अगर आप देख लेंगे तो उसकी किताबें
8वीं जमात की बच्ची, 13 साल,
यस 8वीं जमात की तालिब इल्म थी। तो जब उस वक्त के मुंतजिमीन ने, स्पेशली विद द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दैट वेरी टाइम, ही वाज मिस्टर Ghulam Nabi Azad Sahib and the SP of that very area, when they viewed the books of my Tabinda, they called the government that the brilliant student was kidnapped and the gang raped by these criminals. And
Right.
what government did, we are very thankful of them. They have initiated an award in honor of the
اب
Tabinder.
آپ کو لگ رہا ہے انصاف مل گیا؟
انصاف ملا ہے ہمیں، ہمارے زخم پہ مرہم ہوا ہے، ہمیں ایک ہم آج
So
بھی
clearly,
خالی
so
ہاتھ
these
جاتے-
people saying finally they have got justice, but they were telling me they will wait till the time these people will be executed, they will be hanged. That is what they were shouting slogans here inside court, outside court, after long legal battle and a social movement which was launched by the family, by these people, Iqbal and others here in the valley. Finally justice has been delivered,
Right.
and the criminals and the culprits, these convicts have been handed out death punishment.